YouTube? Alright, so I'm at the Broward County location. I haven't been to this location in a while. So we're gonna run through the driving test real quick. I'm here with a student. We're gonna do the test. We're gonna cover every single thing that they have on the test, step by step. So please watch to the end, and you will be completely, fully informed about what is on the driving test at this location. I can't tell you what location it is, but if you look around, you will get a good idea of what location I'm at. Alright, madam, so they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To your left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
Put the car in park, pull up your parking brake, and turn off your ignition.
Cool. Alright, so now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. So signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press and release the brake. So they're gonna make sure that the brake lights are working. They're gonna make sure the turn signal lights are working, and they're gonna make sure the horn's working. Again, they will not take you out into the car if those things are not working. And they are requiring someone 21 or older to sit in the car with you. They're still not getting in the car. They're calling you on the phone and giving you instruction as to what to do and where to go and so on and so on. So again, you got to get someone to sit in the car with you. They won't allow driving instructors, so I can't sit with anyone. All right, so you ready, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're gonna ask you to reverse from here, and we're gonna reverse and go to the left. So go ahead and start. So reverse straight out. Remember, you don't need to signal when you're reversing, right? You keep the wheel straight. Just back out. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, you're going to turn all the way to the right. About there, all the way right. And you're gonna look behind you as you reverse. When your mirror is past the middle of this area, is when you're going to stop. Okay, that's good enough. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign and make a right turn. Alright, straighten up in the right lane. Making a right turn, so we're gonna signal to the right. So every time they tell you to make a right or left, you make sure you signal. Alright, so we're gonna make sure you come to a complete stop here. Now when you get here, you're gonna count in your head 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna go up and you gotta make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn. Alright, turn all the way to the right, and then we're gonna make an immediate right turn down this lane. So signal right again, and again make sure you're on the right side. Go up enough until your mirror is past the curb again. Turn so you can be in your lane. Alright, so somewhere go down a little bit past this guy. The examiner is going to be in this general area because they are walking around, so they're going to tell you to stop about here. So again, remember to stop in the middle of this area. Right, so they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up 20 miles per hour and stop when I tell you. Stop. Okay, stop just like that. Alright, now they're gonna tell you to reverse straight back. Look behind you and reverse. Just let the car roll straight back. If you're straight when you stop here, then the car will go straight back. So you look behind you and you go straight back until I tell you to stop. Okay, go ahead and stop here. Now we're going to do the 3-point turn. So put the car in drive, signal left, turn all the way left. And we're turning around. We gotta make sure you can't cross that line over there. So, alright, stop here. And reverse all the way to the right. So you're gonna look behind you, and when your mirror is past the middle of this area, like about there, you stop. Put the car back in drive. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the stop sign and make a right turn. see the stop sign here. We're gonna make a right turn. Make sure you're signaling to the right. Again, if you don't signal, you lose 4 points for each one, right? So you make sure you signal. Stop completely. Again, you're gonna go up until the mirror is past the curb. And that's good. Turn all the way to the right and then roll. Off the brakes though, just let it roll. You don't need to press gas here, but you don't need to be on the brakes. So just use idle speed. We're gonna go up to the next one and make a right turn. Alright, you're still on the brake. You're on the brake a little bit too much. Signal right. And then when your mirror is past the end of the curb again, you're gonna turn all the way to the right. Alright, so go ahead and speed up. Don't speed up, but just drive regular speed, like 15 miles per hour. And then you go down to the end and you're gonna make a right turn. Alright, so you treat this here, even though there's no stop sign here, you treat it like a stop sign, right? So wait for it to be clear, and then you're gonna go out and make your right turn. Again, go up into the mirror past the curb, turn all the way right. Turn all the way. Why is this person stopped all the way out there? Right, straighten the wheel. And then go down and make the next right turn. Good. Alright, so we're gonna go down here, stay in the middle of the lane, because they're gonna have the 4 cones over here. They're gonna have you park over on the left side. So stay close to the right side here. And we're gonna park into the second space. So go up, and you're going to line up your mirror with the line, and then turn all the way down. And when you get to the middle, you straighten the wheel and pull straight in. Straight on. And stop, and that's good. Alright, reverse. Now we're gonna back out onto the mirrors at the end of the line. When the mirror gets to the end of the line, you're gonna turn all the way left. Back up a little bit more. Okay, that's good. All the way left.
Blinker?
No, you don't need to put on the turn signal. When you're backing up, you don't need signals. Alright. When your mirror is past the middle here, that's when you're gonna stop. Back up a little bit more, just a touch. Alright, that's good. Alright, put it back in drive. Now you're turning all the way right because you're trying to get back to your right lane. They would not be happy if you drive on the left lane down there. So you stay in the right lane, go to the stop sign here and make a left turn. Alright, signal left. So again, signal every time, right? And you really don't want that. Alright, so stop here and go ahead and make your left. Make sure you go into your right lane. Off the brakes, just let it roll. Then you're going to make the next left turn. So just do this at idle speed. You don't need to press the gas, but you don't need to be on the brake either. Alright, go ahead. Alright, so we're going to park on the left side. Again, they're going to be in this area just walking around watching you and thing. And they're going to tell you to park on the left side. So signal left. Again, you're going to line up your mirror with the line. Go up a little bit more, just a touch. Alright, that's good. Alright, turn all the way to the left. And you're going to go in. And when you get to the middle, don't straighten up yet. When you get to the middle, you straighten the wheel like that and you pull straight in. and stop. Stop. Don't do that. Reverse. Okay, I gotta edit that part out. Alright, stop.
Sorry.
Yeah, put it in park.
I'm getting nervous.
Why? Because you just crashed. Now I'm gonna edit that out. Anyway. Alright, you see she did everything that she needs to do to pass the test. We're gonna continue to practice because we still have about half an hour before the DMV opens. So we're gonna continue running through it and at least 2 more times. But how do you think you did overall?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you did good. So yeah, I expect her to pass. So again, we're gonna continue to practice. So go ahead and like this video, please. Share the video, share the channel, tell your friends about the channel. Hit that notification bell, and obviously I need you to subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed already, I'm going to ask you, please help me to continue to build the channel by pressing that subscription button. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.